Hey ladies, just wanted to share a little tip on the DRZ plastics. This is an SM 2018, and I was looking for plastics. I hit up Cody. He sent me a link to the Acerbis set on Amazon. I think it was like $109 maybe, and I got them the other day. They fit just about perfect. The only thing I had to mess around with was the back fender. I had to do some plastic surgery, but she's good. I am running a light bar and a number plate, so that's good already. But the fork guards, that was a quandary. I mean, $100 for a set of OEM type guards? No way, dude. That just didn't add up. That's all I could find. Then I got online, started snooping around, and I found a post from probably 5 or 6 years ago. Some guy saying that he was able to use the RMZ250 or 450 guards. And I was like, you gotta be kidding me. They were 30 bucks. So when I saw that, I was like, okay, gotta give that a try here. For 30 bucks versus 100, that's a no-brainer. And I got them the other day. You can see the part number right there. And you're looking at them installed, man. They are freaking sweet. So the deal is, no edit, really. In other words, the holes all line up. The plastic is pretty much the same gauge. I would say the same size. The only difference that I could find was you don't have the runner. So, you know, that guide on the back, and that means you can lose the little guide holders, or where they slide in here. These kind of like mounts that are on the fork. You don't need them anymore if you're going to go with these. Now, I guess if you're running a lot of trails, a lot of brush and bramble and sticks and whatnot, you probably should stick to OEM. But this bike is 99% on the street, and these are going to be fine. The RMZ had that little tab, so this transferred over fine, the mounting bracket for the cable. On this side, there was no mount on the RMZ guard, so all I did was drill a hole. If you look carefully, you can see there's a cable tie with the lock on the inside. So if I need to take this off, I'll just put a new cable tie on there. But all the bolts line up, no cutting necessary. And frankly, I think she looks pretty sick without those white clamps for the back side of the guard. I mean, it looks a lot cleaner. So there you have it. My tip of the night for your DRZ fork guards. Have a safe 2021, and I'll see you out there in the ATL on one wheel.